The ones who've been following me for a while already know I'm a huge fan of our camplet trailer tent. We've been using it for years now, and I get as well a lot of questions how we stay cool during the summertime. And thank God the camplet fashion has some vents on the sides. So you open it and you see you can fold it like this, and here inside is a small knob where you can attach the lid. So actually you get the ventilation through the windows here. They're covered with some meshes so mosquitoes cannot come inside the camplet. All our windows have meshes for protecting us from mosquitoes or other insects. So we have the ventilation like this, or if this is not enough, we are using a fan or as well a portable AC, which is really convenient, maybe sometimes a bit loud during the night, but I think it's better to use earplugs than to be hot. All the windows have as well this gray color shade, which helps to protect from the sun or in the night when we are sleeping, so it's not too bright inside of the camplet. So when we open it with the zippers, the first layer is the mesh for protecting us from mosquitoes. We open this one too. Then there is a plastic cover which protects from wind or rain, but you can open this as well. On all the windows there are as well some small straps which help when you roll the protection to stay in place and not to fall or to get dirty. Mosquito nets are as well on each side of the bed, so you can just pull them up and roll them out, and on both sides of course. And then you can sleep like a baby. No mosquito inside. Whether we want sunlight during the day or a dark, cozy space at night, the camplet really gives us both. And with the mosquito meshes, we stay protected without missing the breeze. It's simple, but it makes camping so much comfortable. If you enjoyed this little behind-the-scenes tour, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more camping life. See you in the next video. Happy camping! Bye!